Hey guys, my name is Sadia Theophilus Dube, a Cisco network engineer, and I'd like to welcome you to this awesome lab that we are building here. So what I want to do basically, I do have three routers on this network, and I want to show you how we going to configure, how basically to configure serial interfaces on the routers. So you want to design a point-to-point network addressing for point-to-point links. So you don't want to waste addressing space addresses. So you want to design a point-to-point network IP addressing for point-to-point links on these routers, and that's exactly what I have done here. So basically I've already enabled this link. For this link we have 10.10.10.0 network and the /30. So we have the 1 right here and the 2. For this link right here, the network is 10.10.10.4, and the first IP address on that network is the 5, and the next one right here is the 6, which you can see from under there. Okay, there you go. And the next one right here is 10.10.10.8 over /30 subnet mask. The first available IP address here is the 9, and the next available is the 10. So I've already enabled this one, so that's why they are all green. Next, together we're going to configure this link and this link. I've already also placed in the IP address for this link, so let's move on to router number 3. So basically what you want to do is it's pretty easy. Let's just go into configuration mode, and you want to enter the interface. Alright, so you want to enter the exact interface. So for this interface is SE0001. Alright, that's the interface you want to go in. int SE0/0/1. Alright, once you enter the interface, you want to add the IP address, IP add 10.10.10. Alright, now for this interface, for this link is the 6. Okay, and then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252 because it is a /30 network. You want to do enter. Now you want to include, this is discretionary, you want to do description. It's important if you want to remember information around your networks. So for me, I like to do that. So I want to do arrow 3 link to arrow 2. Basically this is the linking arrow 3 and arrow 2. Arrow 2 on this network is the 5, and arrow 3 right here is the 6. So you want to do enter, and then basically you can do no shut to turn the interface on. Alright, now the next challenge is this link right here, to turn this link on. For this link, the network is 10.10.10.8 with a /30 subnet mask. As you can see, they are all very contiguous. Alright, we got the 0 here, we got the 4 here, and we got the 8 here, all with a /30 network. So this is 4 IP, 2 assignable IP addresses here, 2 assignable IP addresses here, 2 assignable IP addresses here for these links. Okay, this is our ISP link, so we also configure this link to our ISP to enable internet connection. But first, let's do the internal network addressing. So next, you want to go on the interface for this link right here, which is S010. Okay, so I'm gonna do exit out of here. int SE010. Okay, you do enter, IP add. Let me bring this up here. IP add 10.10.10 dot. Okay, now the network here is .8. The first available IP is .9. The next is .10, but .9 is on arrow 3, so that's what you want to do. Okay, so you do .9 255.255.255.252. Remember, it's a slash 30. It's not 255.255.255.0. It's slash 30 255.255.255.252. You do enter. You do description. Arrow 3 link to arrow 1. This is the link linking these two. This interface is linking arrow 1 interface, so that's why you want to put description on as well. You do enter, and then you want to do no short. Now it wouldn't turn on until you can turn this interface on, so you want to close this one, and then you come right on this one. So for this interface, you want to do the other half of this link on this interface, so that's what we are going to do. Exit here, int. The interface here is S00. Okay, so and it has the clock rate, so you want to also do the clock rate. SE0/0/0. You do enter. IP add 10.10.10.10. Okay, this interface is .10 because that's the next available IP address from this network, basically. So you do .10 255.255.255.252. Okay, you do enter. You want to do clock rate. Uh, 64,000. That should be good. You want to do description. Arrow 1. Sorry, 1 link to arrow 3. Okay, arrow 1 link to arrow 3. Now you want to do no short. That should turn the interface on. Okay, now let's go back over here and put a clock rate on this interface. Not a clock rate, but a bandwidth. Okay, so you want to do int SE0/1/0. Okay, do enter. You want to do bandwidth 56,000. That should work just fine. 56.123. Okay, and basically that's how you configure router interfaces. Now they are all talking to each other, but you still don't have inter-network routing. So basically that's exactly what we will be doing next in the next configuration. I'd like to thank you for sticking around, and hope you continue to watch my videos. Leave all your comments and kindly subscribe to my page. Thank you very much.